National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has conferred the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award at the ceremony held on the 106th death anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak. The award was presented in Pune by the Lokmanya Tilak Memorial Trust in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and other dignitaries. Listen in to what NSA Ajit Doval has said.
भारत अभी वहां नहीं पहुंचा है जहां उसे होना चाहिए। ऐसा लगता है कि शायद हम स्वतंत्र हैं तो हमारे ऊपर सारी जिम्मेदारियां खत्म हो गई हैं। आज भी भारत को बाहर से भी और अंदर से भी बहुत अधिक चुनौतियां हैं। भारत का विकास से सभी लोग बहुत आनंदित हों ऐसा नहीं है। भारत का विकास कई लोगों के लिए, कई देशों के लिए, कई इंटरेस्ट के लिए, उनके लिए ये घातक है और हमें उसका मुकाबला करना है। उसके लिए हमारे को एक दृढ़ता के साथ संशय को हटाकर, वो संशयात्मा विनाशाय, संशय में मत पड़िए। एक बार एक ही चीज को सोचिए, देश के इंटरेस्ट को सोचिए, देश के इंटरेस्ट में काम करिए। अपनी हर उसको आप आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अगर एकजुट होकर चलें तो उतनी दूर भी नहीं है। आज हम बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं। हमारे देश में एक ऐसा नेतृत्व।
All right, Shweta continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shweta, a very prestigious award for India's National Security Advisor, Mr. Ajit Doval. Walk us through the details, please.
Well, that's right. In fact, in a major development, we understand that National Security Advisor Mr. Ajit Doval was conferred with the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak Award ceremony that had taken place in Pune today. In fact, remember, this is 106th death anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak, and this ceremony was held, in fact, in Maharashtra, where the award was presented by the Lokmanya Tilak Memorial Trust in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and there were other dignitaries who were present at the time when this award was conferred to Ajit Doval. Now, very importantly, while he was, giving his speech, he has urged people to work towards the interest of the nation, and how even one small step towards the interest of the nation could lead to big progress, is what Mr. Ajit Doval said while receiving the prestigious award.